Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get and install Fortnite on your Android phone. This is very easy to do. So we want to scroll on down from the top and then go on over to settings right here and select this. Now under settings, let's go on down to where it says applications. So right here, default apps, permission manager. Now choose the application you use as a web browser. So I use the Brave web browser. You may use Google Chrome. Go to your web browser. So here's the Brave web browser. Let's select this. Now let's scroll on down until we get to where it says install all known apps. Select this. Then go to allow and check mark it and make sure it's blue. Now let's go to our web browser. So here's the Brave web browser right here. Then type in www.fortnite.com and press enter. Then you'll be brought to this page. Go to where it says play now and select this. And go to download. Then scroll on down and choose your device. I'm going to go to mobile. Then you can choose whether it's Samsung, Android, and then you can go to download now. Now a download link should pop open. Go to download anyway. And you should be able to see under here, go to Epic Games app, select this, and then go to install. Okay, so the Epic Games Store is installed on our device. Let's go to the home screen and then locate the Epic Games Store under here. Otherwise, you can just go to search and go to Epic Games and just type in it and it should open up. So here's the Epic Games application. Let's select it. Now we can finally get Fortnite. So let's go to get and install it on our device. And you may have to sign in with your Epic Games account. You might have to create one, etc. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.